Also nice, also nice, also nice, also nice.
Nothing is. Hey guys. I just need to. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sophie, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to my channel. So you guys, I just wanted to start this vlog, even though I know I filmed like once, but I've forgotten what I said on that vlog. But today I just want to, carry you guys along while I get some things done. Yeah, I don't know if I mentioned that I'm taking driving classes. Yes, so today is Friday, and today is usually the theory class where we just talk about the science and the rules and regulations that you need to follow, blah 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 blah, all those things. Yeah. And my class is by 10 p.m. like this is after 10 already. We are supposed to be going. Yeah. So after the class I want to go take out my cornrows, wash my hair or relax my hair, because I want to braid tomorrow. Tomorrow is Saturday. I have an event coming next week. You guys, I'm excited for this event because, oh my gosh, when I got an email from this brand, I was really surprised, because not like I was surprised, but I know when you search for content creators in Abuja, I should be one of those people that is going to be popping up. Yeah, so the only thing is that most of the time I feel like these brands look at the number of your followers and all of that, but I'm still happy I was invited to this their party, because I'm excited for meeting other creators there, and trying to make new friends. See, you guys, I need to make content creator friends. It's very important to me. Like, I legit need to make content creator friends because I don't have any, and it's a lot more easier that way. When it comes to planning content, you have someone that is going to join you, and you won't feel alone or feel shy when you're creating content and all of that. So I'm excited for that. Hopefully I make a cool friend that we can keep in touch and yeah, work together. Anyways, you guys, follow me along on today's events. Driving class, go to the bank. Yes, I need to go to the bank, withdraw money, change money, then go wash my hair and relax my hair. What else? Pick up a package I have at GO, and that's all. You guys, hi God, do you know what's going on in my head right now? The amount of money I'm going to spend just for both. Fam. And my area is legit far from town. Yesterday we paid 3,000 naira from Gwarimpa to my house. 3,000 naira, something that usually used to be like 1,000 naira, or like something that usually used to be like 1,000 naira, highest 1,500, and we paid 3,000 naira. And now I am going to Wuse, and from Wuse is like just like a longer distance. Fam, I can't be the only one who thinks of this. Jesus Christ. See the reason why I am so bent on learning how to drive. See, this is how I like to learn things. If I have so much fear, I will end up not learning it. But if I just remove my mind and do it, I'll become a badass at it. I'm coming. Are you ready? Okay. So, fam, let's go.
past we have, the future we will see. I'll be here until the day that you leave me. I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you.
Wait, make us see price first.
I feel right. I don't wanna just forgive you. I just wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up. Yeah. And your heart is
Including this one. So. Okay, it's big size, 2 sizes. Ayana, let me try this one. Keep my phone. Okay. Come and help me and see. It's big, but even aside from that, even if it's not big. Yeah, like almost. You don't know how my breast will not be straight from here.
I guess it's because of what you're.
Yeah, I cannot remove it because I'm not wearing bra, and if I don't test it with something that is a little bit tight, I'm not sure this is gonna look nice at all. Let me.
I don't wanna know what you think. I'm the one you go to whenever you feel like you're about to sink. I don't wanna just forget you, but I wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up. Yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel
You guys, I turned on my camera to be able to look at my hair and make sure that it's sitting properly. So you guys, I ordered from Hugger. I don't know, I used to enjoy both of them. Especially the one I used to get in the Grooming. So, yeah. My drink here. My drink here.
I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel right.
From Aliexpress, and let's quickly unbox that. See how tiny this is. I bought this this adhesive glue that you can stick to the wall and stick anything with it. I was not expecting it to be this small. Oh my gosh, these glasses are about to look so fucking bomb. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow, I love it. Anyways, you guys, today is Saturday and I am going to braid my hair. It's been a while because my wigs have been crying. My wigs have been crying. They needed my help. Like, they needed me to give them a breathing air. So I finally decided to give them a breathing air. And even though I'm not even mentally ready for these braids, I have low-key been, you know, preparing myself, you know, but you can never be too this thing. And my hair is no more a retouched hair because there are so much new hair has grown. That's what I'm trying to say. So the root is very, very tough. Anyways, I didn't want to kind of relax it again, maybe till like later, I don't know, but hopefully it's not going to be as painful. Anyway, braids are always painful, but God, please. This particular lady, people have been saying that her hands, her braiding is not like, her hands are not painful when she's braiding you. So I'm going to the market to go braid my hair, and hopefully, you know, we get it done fast and all of that. You guys, yesterday I forgot to pick up the things that I was supposed to pick up. Like, I did every other thing that I wanted to do, but I forgot to pick up my package from GEO. But God help me, maybe I'll pick it up before coming, like before going to the market. That way I don't have to, you know, think about it. Anyways, you guys, yeah, I'm ready to go out now. And yeah, you guys, it's almost like 11. It's after 11. What's the time? After 11, I guess. I don't know, or 10, because I started dressing by 9. I don't know. How can I use 2 hours to dress? Anyways, you guys, I wanted to show you something. Look at this top, guys. Look at this top. I don't know, all my big boobies, full chest, gang, fam, look at. I don't know if you guys can get what I'm trying to show you guys, but don't worry, I'm gonna tell you. Look at, fam. You guys, if you are in this, you know, seat or in this side of the house or this group chat with me, you understand the struggle, the struggle to find bras, like no hand bras that you can wear with, you know, outfits like these. It's a huge struggle, because most of the time, if you find one that is okay, that looks nice and all of that, when you wear it and you're walking or you're going to where you're going to, that's how the bra will just roll down from your chest. So it has been a huge struggle for me, which made me, most of the time, I don't like to wear sleeveless tops, because it's like I always have to wear a bra, and at the end of the day the handle will now show, like tops like this, and it doesn't look nice. Usually it doesn't look nice when you wear tops like this and then your bra is showing. So you guys, guess what I used to make this top look so fucking cute? Wait, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you. Booby tapes, guys. Booby tapes. Seriously, this shit works. You guys, if you don't know, now you know. And thank me later. You definitely, you know, come back to thank me later, because this thing works. You just need to find a technique on how to, you know, place it and package it well, and at the end of the day it's gonna be looking good. Yeah, and as you can see, the bae is not wearing bra. Nothing is trying to choke me, you know. So it makes me happy that I can wear tops like this without feeling, you know, without having to wear bra and then the hands will be showing. So yeah, hopefully I get a very good no hand bras. Me, I've seen people that have gotten good no hand bras. Me, I've never, like, I've not gotten one that is as good as I would like. To be honest, that's just God, why am I reading fast? God, this thing don't reach 5 minutes. No. When I started the record. Anyways, you guys, that's what we're doing today. We're to the market, making this hair. Yeah. If I get back, I'll let you guys know. Besides, thank me if you just, you know, figured out this. Look, I got this one from Shein. I got this booty from Shein, and it's awesome. I've been using it. I'm gonna definitely get more because it's gonna make me, you know, wanna wear outfits like this small. Even though I've been doing it for a while now, but I'm just letting you guys know. So peace, you guys. Peace. Block is often hot with that white girl. Time is all you got, nigga. So cold, so cold, so cold, no. We the last generation. Spiritual nation. You guys, I'm back to the house. Yeah. Anyway, today was a very successful day and productive day. Yeah, today was a very productive day. Yeah. Anyways, you guys, see you on the next clip.